Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. I hope you guys are really enjoying these toolbox tours. This is going to be the 5th installment. Next week marks my one month here at work full time. Everything's going great. The guys here are amazing and really fostering me into the position that I am. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so if I remember correctly, we're down to this drawer right here. So we'll crack this open. We'll do the same thing. We'll kind of just pull everything out, put it up top here, and then we'll take a closer look. As you can tell, there's a lot of molded cases. This is kind of like my, oh no, I kind of effed up drawer. So first off, what we have is the 117 piece Mac combo tap and die set. It has pretty much everything you need for smaller application. It has a full set of your drill bits, and then I think it's even got a couple like easy outs or extractors, sorry. So that's cool. It's got that full set. That's kind of what makes it the 117 versus I don't know if it's in the 90s, but so then the rest of the set is just your full setup of tap and dies. You can look on their website. I'm not going to get into real specifics about what's in it, just for time's sake. But that's that whole kit. The next kit up here is the 25-piece SAE tap and die set. Part number TD25SAES. So this is going to be your reasonably bigger tap and die set, because we do work on a lot of heavy machinery here that we're making and modifying brackets, so you're needing to tap and die stuff. Also, we got our taps up here, our dies down here, and then your different wrenches here. The general application of this is great. I haven't seen the snap-on ones, but the molded case is awesome, and the taps and the dies are super sharp, and there's a lifetime warranty through Mac, and we happen to have a Mac dealer that comes to work, so that also helps a lot. The other kit here is the metric version of that, so that's TD25 METS 25-piece metric tap and die set. So it kind of mirrors the same. Obviously, they're different sizes because they're metric, but you have your full range of larger sizes. And the kit is, just about the same thing, but all in metric. These kits, obviously, I haven't used these kits yet. When I was going through school, I kind of bought everything that I thought I would need. So in the future, I wouldn't have to buy it. And, I was buying this stuff at pretty much 50% off. There's a Lang 12-piece combination internal external snap ring plier set I got off from Amazon. The part number on it is 3495. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it's been a great kit so far. It's done everything I need to do. They're reversible, so you can flip them around to make them internal or external, whatever you need. But the case is great, and they're all right here, and it kind of keeps it out of the way. Next item, I was looking for this at home. I don't know how it got into my box. Transition from going to school to work. Some tools came here, and some tools went there, and vice versa. That need to swap. But this is a smaller serpentine belt kit that I will be bringing home. To work on side projects at home. I have a bolt grip puller set here. Part number CJ2001 Papa. It's a great little kit. I'm not sure if Snap-on makes it. I know, well, this is obviously a Snap-on product. I'm not sure if Snap-on is the one that actually makes it or if they get it from somebody. But it's a great little kit. I've had projects where I need to pull steering wheels and it works pretty well. And that's really it for right now that I've used it for. I'm sure I'll find other uses for it here at work and at home. I bought this extractor set here secondhand from a tech that was getting out of the business. So the part number on this is REX15 Alpha, and it's just your full range of extractors or whatever else you want to call them. I call them extractors, but they work real well. I haven't had any issues with them. I've taken out set screws in a bridge port. One of the heads got messed up, so I had to drill it out and use one of these with a little bit of heat, and it worked awesome. But overall, cool little kit. You get to zoom in here. Those are the sizes that it entails, and works really well if you need it. Better to have it than not have it and need it. The next one is a extractor set here. Let's see if I can get it open without. This is Blue Point. It's part number 1020. So it has your full set. Obviously, I haven't used this yet, but I'm sure at some point here it will come in real handy. And my last two sets here are just some really old tap and die sets from Mac. Great little sets. I've used these obviously vigorously on different things. And I also got these second hand for a steal. I think I paid $40 a piece, so I believe that was a good deal. They're not all Mac. There's some Snap-on stuff in here, and maybe I saw a couple cornrows. But a lot of the taps in here have been replaced with Snap-ons throughout the years. So overall, it's a good little set and pretty cool. So we'll get all this stuff back in the drawer, take one final look, and be done with the video. Okay, so we've got the drawer back together. Unfortunately, these two boxes can't go side by side, so it kind of, messes with the feng shui of the drawer. But everything fits in there well, and I have a little room to grow. So we have one more video to go, and we'll complete the Toolbox Tour series. As always, it is Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew signing out. Have a good day, brothers. Woo!
Another day in this carnival of souls.